After 40 years of researching why we lose our independence as we age, a leading medical expert made a discovery that is very alarming. Most people over 60 assume that as long as they're walking, they're staying healthy and protected. But this is exactly where the problem starts. Walking is beneficial, but it often doesn't activate the deep blood vessels responsible for truly nourishing muscle tissue after 60. It usually begins quietly, cold feet, mild tingling, or a subtle feeling of heaviness. But over time, it can lead to loss of balance and even serious, life-threatening falls. Today, we are revealing the 3 surgeon-approved exercises designed to reactivate your deep circulation. But before we get started, comment your age and where you're watching from. It's always great hearing from you. Exercise 1. Bicycle, supine. This might be the most powerful exercise on this list, and almost no one does it. Why? Because it removes gravity completely. When you lie down, blood flows back to your heart more easily, reducing swelling, pressure, and that heavy feeling in your legs. Now add the cycling motion, and you activate all the major leg muscles at once. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, lift your legs off the ground, start pedaling in the air like riding a bike. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Exercise 2. Lateral leg raises. Most people skip this exercise, and that's a big mistake. Lateral leg raises target your hip muscles, the ones that keep you balanced and steady when you walk. When these muscles weaken, your body becomes unstable and circulation begins to slow down. But when activated, they create a deep pumping effect that pushes blood into areas that often get neglected with age. How to do it? Lie on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. Slowly lift your top leg straight up toward the ceiling. Hold at the top for 2 to 5 seconds, and then lower your legs slowly. Exercise 3. Kiba Dachi. This simple position looks easy, but it's incredibly powerful for circulation and strength. Kiba Dachi, or horse stance, activates your hips, thighs, and inner leg muscles all at once, creating constant pressure that pushes blood through deep vessels. How to do it? Stand with your feet wide apart. Bend your knees and lower your body like sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back straight and chest up. Hold this position for 20 to 40 seconds. And in no time, you'll feel the difference. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps more people see this.